You're cruising in your Nissan when suddenly the dreaded check engine light pops on. Don't panic. That light is your car's way of saying something needs attention, not always a disaster. With a cheap OBD2 scanner you can read the code and take control. Today I'll break down the 5 most common Nissan engine codes, what they mean, and how you can fix them yourself. No dealership required. Let's get started. First up, P0420, catalyst system efficiency below threshold. Mechanics love to sell you a new catalytic converter, but don't jump to that. Often it's a dirty converter, or a faulty oxygen sensor, not a dead cat. Try a catalytic converter cleaner in your gas tank, and a good highway drive. This cheap fix works more often than you'd think. If the code returns, check for exhaust leaks or a bad rear O2 sensor before replacing the converter. Only consider a new cat after these steps. Start with the easy, affordable fixes. Save your money. P0300 means your engine is misfiring randomly, rough idle, hesitation, or loss of power. Don't guess, start with the basics, replace old spark plugs. While you're at it, inspect ignition coils for cracks or damage. If that doesn't solve it, check for vacuum leaks, using carb cleaner around intake hoses. A simple cracked hose can cause chaos. Fix the basics first. Most misfires are easy to solve. No need to throw parts at the problem. Stay methodical and save cash. P0171 means your engine is running too lean, too much air, not enough fuel. Most common cause, vacuum leaks after the mass airflow sensor. Use carb cleaner to find leaks around intake hoses and gaskets. If no leaks, suspect a dirty MAF sensor. Remove and clean it with dedicated MAF cleaner. Don't let a shop sell you a fuel pump before checking these simple fixes. A 5-minute cleaning can save you hundreds. Keep it simple and efficient. P0113 is intake air temperature sensor circuit. High input, usually an electrical issue, not a bad sensor. The sensor is often part of the MAF assembly. Check the connector for corrosion, loose wires, or rodent damage. Clean the connector with electrical contact cleaner, and reseat it. Clear the code, and see if it returns. Most fixes are this simple. No need to buy a new sensor right away. Quick inspection, quick solution. P0101 means your MAF sensor is sending weird signals, causing hesitation, stalling, or poor mileage. Most often it's just dirty. Remove the MAF sensor, clean it with MAF cleaner, let it dry, and reinstall. Clear the code and test drive. If the code returns, check for vacuum leaks and wiring issues. Only replace the sensor if cleaning and checks don't work. Don't rush to the dealer. Aftermarket sensors work great. There you have it, the top 5 Nissan codes, demystified. Most fixes are simple and cheap if you know where to look. With a scanner and a little know-how, you're in control, not the mechanic. Start with the basics, use your head, and save big. Keep your OBD2 scanner handy, and don't panic when that light comes on. Like, subscribe, and comment your code below for more Nissan fixes.